know who ate all the donuts?
Don't bet on it.
I don't concur. Any ideas on the origin of that new sample? No, don't go that way. I certainly hope those backup fusion shunts are in good shape today.
It can't get any worse than this, can it?
Is anyone else getting hungry? Another important species revealed in action. It's inconclusive.